Academic Maths Nursery 4 Plus, page 7. Dear children, today we will have an activity day. It will cover all mathematical concepts that we learned a couple of days ago. Applying and writing. Color the objects that are big. You see different objects here. They are big and small. Color big objects accordingly. Tick the tall one. Here are two more pictures. You see a man and a child here. Tick the man who is tall. Which is long one? You see two wristwatches here. Tick the long wristwatch. Which is short one? You see two handbags here. Tell which is shorter. Surely, the orange bag is short. That's wonderful. You made it. Well done. Dear teachers, revise all about mathematical concepts while you are making the children do these activities. Assess what the children have learned well and what they are still lacking in. Involve them in discussion regarding mathematical concepts with reference to objects they see in their immediate environment to enhance brainstorming. Have a nice day.